Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to turn on or off the Shake to Undo feature on your iPhone. It's a pretty simple process, so let's jump right in. First things first, you're going to want to head over to your iPhone Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the Accessibility option. Go ahead and tap on that. Alright, now in the Accessibility menu, look for the Touch option and tap on it. This will bring up all sorts of touch-related settings.
And here we are.
Scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the Shake to Undo option. You can toggle this on or off depending on whether you want to use the feature or not. If you want to use Shake to Undo, make sure the switch is green. If you don't want to use it, turn the switch gray. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, but if I turn off Shake to Undo, how do I undo things?
Good question. Let me show you.
I'm currently in my Notes app, and I've got a little shopping list here. Let's say I want to undo some changes. Instead of shaking, simply double-tap the screen with 3 fingers above the keyboard. See that little status bar that popped up at the top? Just tap on the Undo option, and it will undo your last action. You can keep tapping it to undo one step at a time.
Super Andy, right?
So that's how you toggle Shake to undo on and off, and how to undo using the 3-finger gesture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.